Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Placement. In today's video we'll give a brand new difficult question to ChatGPT. In the last one, ChatGPT has solved it immediately. Previous question, ChatGPT has solved it. I and we have run it in Leetcode and it was solved. But this time we'll try with a difficult one and we'll check whether the chat GPT will able to solve the question or not. So the difficult is like expression add operators. This is one of the hard question, and again this is a direct one, but still it is a hard question. Let's check it whether it can able to solve it or not. So just remove this pen and let me go to chat. Let me start a new chat. Write a Java program for let's check this. So we have given a question for ChatGPT and it has started with import of array list and list and started writing the code. Let's see if we can able to run this code in our console and we can get the answer or not. So it is pretty good. It is not explaining anything, just writing the code. So we'll pick it up and we'll see if it works or not. Okay, so it went for explaining as well, but I should have given them to complete this function. So it is still started writing, and I think it's writing the same code. Let's check if it is working or not. In case if it is working, we'll go ahead. So binary expression, it is taking in a list of a string, add operator, and it has to return a list of a string. So it has taken a list of a string as result, and then it is trying to do DFS. DFS is nothing but it is already showing that depth first search algorithm to generate all the possible expression by inserting binary operating between digits of input string num. So this DFS it tried and solved it. So let's take this function and try writing it. I will just check if I can. Let me run this code. And let me close uh, this and let's run and check it out. Yes, it executed with a acceptance, and this is damn good. This is damn good, and ChatGTP again succeeded with lead code. Yeah, but I will definitely try with a difficult one. I will try to give a ChatGTP difficult in the next video, and we'll see whether it can able to solve or not. Thank you so much, guys.